Hello everyone, today we'll dive deep into two crucial classifications of bile duct injuries, Strasberg and Bismuth classifications. These frameworks are essential for surgeons and physicians managing bile duct injuries, especially after surgeries like laparoscopic cholecystectomy. Let's start with the Strasberg classification. This system focuses on post-cholecystectomy bile duct injuries, categorizing them based on the location and type of damage. Type A injuries involve small ducts still connected to the biliary system, such as the duct of Luschka or the cystic duct stump. These often cause bile leaks but can be managed effectively with interventions like stenting. Type B involves obstruction of a sectoral duct, leading to drainage problems in a segment of the liver. This can progress silently, causing recurrent infections or liver atrophy. In Type C injuries, a sectoral duct is damaged and leaks bile. However, this duct is not continuous with the rest of the biliary system, causing localized bile accumulation, often leading to a biloma. Type D is a lateral injury to the main bile ducts, resulting in bile leakage. This requires prompt repair to prevent further complications. Finally, Type E injuries are the most severe, involving complete transection or stricture. These are further subdivided using the Bismuth classification. Now, the Bismuth classification is primarily used to describe strictures based on their location relative to the hepatic duct bifurcation. Type E1 strictures occur more than 2 cm from the hepatic duct confluence. These are relatively easier to repair. Type E2 strictures are within 2 cm of the confluence, making the repair more technically challenging. In Type E3 injuries, the confluence is involved, but the left and right hepatic ducts remain intact. Type E4 is more severe, with complete destruction of the confluence and no connection between the left and right hepatic ducts. Finally, Type E5 involves the most complex injuries, including the complete occlusion of all bile ducts or damage to an aberrant right hepatic duct. These classifications not only help in diagnosing bile duct injuries but also guide treatment decisions. For example, Type A injuries may only need stents or drains, while Type C3 to E5 often require complex surgical reconstruction. Understanding both Strasberg and Bismuth classifications allows healthcare providers to tailor interventions precisely, ensuring the best outcomes for patients. By categorizing bile duct injuries effectively, these systems provide clarity in managing a challenging surgical complication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into surgical care.